Want to give your RC some personality? These whip lights are the way to go. They're tough, bright, and super easy to install. We've got them mounted here on the Arrma Fire Team, and yeah, they look awesome. But they're not just for show. They're made to handle flips, crashes, and whatever else you throw at your rig. The best part, you don't need to drill holes or mess up your chassis. The mounts are non-destructive and clamp right onto any exposed tube. No damage, no stress. And here's what makes them really cool. They're not just for the fire team. If your RC has at least one tube showing, these lights will fit. Losi, Traxxas, Axial, you name it, super versatile. Setup is a breeze. You just mount them, plug them in, and you're good to go. Takes maybe a minute or two tops, and everything you need is in the box. They're made from tough ABS plastic for the mounts and clear, flexible PP plastic for the light tubes. So yeah, they're built to last. Whether you're hitting jumps, crawling over rocks, or just out for a night run, these lights add that perfect extra touch. Stand out, light it up, and make your RC look as cool as it runs.